Keep cool, it's insulated.
I had to do it. Surly changes number 3. I'll show you what I came up with. In the last days I found a beautiful fabric in my local fabric store. I like this one because it matches my mud stains on my surly. So I thought, why not make a complete rebuild of my surly karate monkey with this special mud looking fabric. I also included some new features which I hadn't done in my previous karate monkey builds. First, my surly karate monkey looked like this. After that it looked like that, and now here is the new version. As you might know, I sewed a modular cycling bag which I call CandyWrap, and this was a big influence on this bike design. I start in the rear. Normally I put my sleeping bag and my bivy bag and my pillow inside this CandyWrap bag. This is my sleeping setup. In the main frame bag I put my gear, such as the cooker, the water filter and so on. My food, which I need during riding, I put in these 2 CandyWrap bags. I clip them around the down tube like so, and during riding I have access from both sides for 2 pouches of food. Under these 2 quick access CandyWrap bags for my food, I carry an additional CandyWrap bag which is rolled up halfway, so it's half the top tube. I usually carry my rain jacket or small compressible items inside, and it's also possible to mount stuff underneath the buckle. Summer is coming and it's getting hotter and hotter, so I had to come up with an idea to store my food and keep it cooled. I show you what I mean. This CandyWrap bag where I put my food normally is a special one. I found a reflective windshield protection and I sewed it inside. So now the CandyWrap bag is insulated and I keep my drinks or my food cooled during hot summer tours. Getting this thing off is really easy. You just unbuckle it by the fork and slide the whole thing down or up, and I show you what this bag is made out of. It's the same mud looking fabric like the whole bike, but with the car windshield isolation reflective mat inside.
Keep cool, it's insulated.
I tested it at home. I put some ice cream and cold stuff inside and it really works out. I have to test it in the next tour, but I think this would be a perfect summer companion, summer touring companion. I started this channel just a few months ago and I'm actually new to this YouTube filming bikepacking stuff, but I get so many good comments and reviews. Thank you for that. And many of you keep asking, where is the CandyWrap bag? Where I can buy the CandyWrap bag? I'm actually working on it to find a company who sews these CandyWrap bags. I keep you updated, but for now, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!